Unsa kini? Unsa kini?
What is this?
Unsay lami? Unsay lasa? Unsay lami? Unsay lasa?
What is the taste?
Unsay lami niini? Unsay lasa niini? Unsay lami niini? Unsay lasa niini?
What is the taste of this?
Tagpila ang kilo sa lechon? Tagpila ang kilo sa lechon?
How much is a kilo of lechon?
Tam-is kini. Tam-is kini.
This is sweet.
Parat kana. Parat kana.
That is salty.
Aslom kini. Aslom kini.
This is sour.
Halang kadto. Halang kadto.
This is spicy.
Tabang kana. Tabang kana.
That is bland.
Unsaon kini pagluto? Unsaon kini pagluto?
How do you cook this?
Gilungag. Nilungag. Gilungag. Nilungag.
It's boiled.
Gimantikaan. Minantikaan. Gimantikaan. Minantikaan.
It's fried.
Hilaw man kini. Hilaw man kini.
This is raw.
Giluto kini. Giluto kini.
This was cooked.
Mantikaon man. Mantikaon man.
It's greasy.
Dunay unod og tambok. Dunay unod og tambok.
There's meat and fat.
Bukog man kana. Bukog man kana.
That is a bone.
Aduna kini paminta? Aduna kini paminta?
Does it have pepper?
Aduna kini paminta. Aduna kini paminta.
It has pepper.
Unsaon kini pagkaon? Unsaon kini pagkaon?
How do you eat this?
Kuhaon ang mga liso. Kuhaon ang mga liso.
Remove the seeds.
Hiwaon kana. Hiwaon kana.
Cut that.
Panitan kini. Panitan kini.
Peel this.
Mga unta. Mga unta.
Let's eat.
Kuha og pagkaon didto. Kuha og pagkaon didto.
Have some food over there.
Tilawi. Tilawi.
Have a taste.
Busog pa ko. Busog pa ko.
I'm still full.
Bag-o lang ko ni kaon. Bag-o lang ko ni kaon.
I have just eaten.
Bag-o lang ko na human og kaon. Bag-o lang ko na human og kaon.
I have just finished eating.
Bawal ko mukaon og hipon. Bawal ko mukaon og hipon.
I'm not allowed to eat shrimp.
Sige, kuha pa. Sige, kuha pa.
Go on, have some more.
Kaon pa. Kaon pa.
Eat some more.
Gigutom ka? Gigutom ka?
Are you hungry?
Gigutom ko. Gigutom ko.
I'm hungry.
Giuhaw ka? Giuhaw ka?
Are you thirsty?
Giuhaw ko. Giuhaw ko.
I'm thirsty.
Unsay imong gusto imnon? Unsay imong gusto imnon?
What would you like to drink?
Unsay imong gusto kanon? Unsay imong gusto kanon?
What would you like to eat?
Gusto ka mukaon og balot? Gusto ka mukaon og balot?
Would you like to eat a boiled fertilized duck's egg?
Tagpila ang kilo sa lechon? Tagpila ang kilo sa lechon?
How much is a kilo of lechon?
Ganahan ka sa lasa? Ganahan ka sa lasa?
Do you like the taste?
Well, that's all for today's lesson. Memorizing words and phrases is important for learning a second language. But the most important thing is to use the words and phrases you have learned. If you don't speak on a daily basis, no matter how many words and phrases you memorize, you will end up in a situation where you won't be able to come up with the words even though you know them in an actual conversations. To avoid such a situation, please use the vocabulary and phrases learning courses with App Memorize we created. Pronunciation practice with Microsoft Teams. And take one-on-one online lessons at italki. The example sentences used in this lesson can be studied on Memrise. Please see the overview section. See you soon!